Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 14. A block and tackle is used to raise a load of 250 Newton through a vertical distance of 30 meters. What is the efficiency of the system if the work done against friction is 1500 joules? So I asked to calculate efficiency for a block and tackle system, and that is given as work output divided by work input times 100 over 1. 100 over 1 because efficiency is measured in percentage. So for the work output, work of course is force times distance. So work output for this will be the force multiplied by the vertical distance, which is 30 meters. So 250 multiplied by 30 divided by the work input. Now the work input is also 250 multiplied by 30. However, you have the work done against friction of 1500 joules. So whatever you get as the work of this, you add that to the friction. So multiply by 100. So this is equal to 0.833 times 100, and that is equal to 83.3%. 83.3% is option C, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.